Hey guys, it's me! Welcome back to my channel. If you're not new, welcome to my channel for the first time. My name is Kimberly. This is my sister Chloe. Today, you can see people in the background, but we're gonna ignore that. I know. We are in Arkansas. This is our hotel room, so it's kind of crowded, kind of noisy. But we're gonna do this hot chocolate self-heating clay mask, and we're just gonna do a little review of it.
Is it like paper or
No.
is it like cream?
Yeah.
Does it smell good? Smell like paper.
It really does smell like fake chocolate.
Fake.
Well, you know how like fake chocolate smells different than real chocolate? Like the chocolate chapstick.
Oh yeah, I hate that.
Trying to like squeeze it towards the top.
So what's it supposed to do?
Just stick your finger in there and grab out a bunch.
It says it cools to leave skin smooth, rejuvenate, and refresh. It looks like you're putting chocolate on.
I feel like I'm putting
Are we
poop on
supposed
my
to
face.
get our faces wet first?
No. You get your face wet to get it off.
I'm gonna get it under my nails. It literally feels like chocolate.
It literally feels like poop.
It looks like poop. It feels like poop. I don't know. No. You sometimes it works. It's kind of water, but thick. I don't know how to explain it.
I feel like I'm outside, like camouflaging in mud.
I thought it was supposed to get cold.
No, it heats up.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting like really hot. I feel like it's getting seriously hot.
It's supposed to. It's hot chocolate.
It's weird though. I'm in a tribe.
Okay, we're ready to go hunt.
Ew, I just grabbed my hair. Yeah, literally.
So this mask
So
is infused with the soothing power of cocoa fruit extract.
is it cocoa the fruit?
Yeah, I guess. I thought it was a bean.
I thought it was being too. I was gonna say
Nourished and smooth while delivering a small caffeine boost to awaken the look of dull, tired skin.
well, we are definitely dull and tired.
It warms with contact to skin to open up pores, purge away impurities, and then it cools for skin that looks and feels refreshed and renewed.
Okay.
Yeah, mine warmed up. It's already starting to cool down. That was pretty fast.
Why in the video?
Yeah, all of y'all are. She's like,
Do we lick it off? Is it flavored?
I don't think it's edible.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to get severely ill.
It says made in Korea.
Yeah, it was in the Korean makeup section of Ulta for like $1, $2 maybe. And close, we'll get the thumbnail.
Cool. Looks like you have poop on your face.
I know. So we're gonna have to leave this on for 15 minutes. We will be back when it's done, or if it does anything weird. I feel like mine warmed up and it cooled down already.
Yeah, I feel like it got hot as soon as I put it on, but it's not anymore.
For me, it was just a little warm. She was saying hers was really, really hot.
Yeah.
But we used out the same patch, so it's probably just her skin.
Yeah, it felt like a warm blanket. It's like, I don't know what to expect. It's weird.
And it's sticky and gross like actual chocolate. It looks like mud, but it hasn't dried like mud. I need 3 fingers. I used 3
I don't think
fingers.
it's two because I don't want to get rid of it.
I was just like,
Give it to me!
splat. Okay, so we washed our faces. Do we look prettier now? We did before. The mask didn't even dry. Did it dry on your face?
No. It was like so creamy.
Yeah, it was really,
When
really.
I took it off, it felt so weird.
Yeah, I was washing it off and it still just felt like melted chocolate.
And then your face still smells like it.
Does my face smell?
Mm-hmm.
I can't smell my
So
own face.
strong.
I don't smell it. You don't really smell that strong, but I can smell it. So, I don't know if that mask did anything.
No.
No? Does your skin feel alive?
Not really. I think I'm breaking out now.
My skin feels hydrated.
Yeah.
That's it, though.
It's all wet and creamy.
Yeah, it's so creamy. So, that's it for that mask. It really didn't heat up too much, so. And not for very
As soon
long.
as it touches your skin, it did, but
Yeah.
not after that.
I feel like for it being a heating mask, it should have heated more.
Yeah, definitely.
So, that's that.
That would be cool if they had the ones and then the buttons like the blankets.
The buttons? Oh, like a heating? Yeah. It is only like $1 or $2 mask, so I guess it's fun to like try, like gimmicky, but it's not really worth it to do anything. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at shewhospeaks, _ instead of spaces. I'm also on Snapchat at kimberly.nicole with a K, not a C. Go ahead and click on my face to become a subscriber. Join our little family. And if you want to watch another one of my videos right now, there will be 2 on the screen for you to choose from. Thanks for watching. Bye.